Canva sign out tutorial, log off Canva. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can sign out of Canva, so make sure to stick with me till the end. If you want to sign out of Canva, open up the Canva application, and currently I'm logged into my account. So if I want to sign out completely, tap on the three lines option from the top left of the screen, and here you'll find my name. Beside my name you'll find a little drop down icon. Tap on that menu button there and you'll find this little pop-up menu pop up over here. Now to sign out, if you look at the very bottom left, you'll find a button that says sign out. So when you tap on the sign out button, you'll be successfully signed out and logged off of Canva. This way you can log off Canva. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.